Hey guys, it's time to unbox the new Huawei P9. And of course, if you don't remember, it's the same company that made the Nexus 6P. Of course, it's a really popular phone. So ever since the Nexus 6P, their phones become really well. This is the Huawei Mate 8. Okay, so just want to zoom out here so you can see. And I expect the same type of quality with the P9. So here is my scissors, and let's just cut this one open up. There we go. Just gonna peel the plastic off, and of course this box is looking really neat, I gotta say. I mean, compared to the P8 from the last year, that box was really fancy. So yeah, I mean, this is, you can see Huawei P9 on the front, dual camera, of course has 12 megapixel dual sensors. That's pretty cool. And I believe this is the 3 GB RAM variant. Yes, it is. And of course, from here you can see that whether you have like 4 GB RAM variant or 3 GB RAM variant, so all the information is here. It's also titanium gray in color, so yeah. And also we have some stuff here written here, so we can just quickly open this one up. Just gonna lift the box. There we go. And yeah, it's pretty simple unboxing, or I should say pretty simple box here this time. So this is the P9, looking really nice. And let's take a look at what is inside the box. So of course we do got our charger, of course the wall adapter, you can say. So I'm just gonna put this one to the side, and we get some more stuff here, some more cables. So I believe we have the USB cable and some AirPods. So let me just pull it out like this. So these are the same looking, as what I got with the Nexus 6P. So yeah, they have some nice sound. And of course this phone does have USB Type-C connectivity, so that is really great. Not a lot of phones have it at the moment, So we also get some paperwork, I guess. No? Okay, no paperwork. I guess that is not with my Huawei P9 here. So you get the USB, or I should say a SIM ejecting tool. And that is pretty much it, okay? So let's take a look at the phone itself. Oh my god, this is a totally different animal, I should say. We can just slide it like this, and wow, this is a premium phone. Wow, feels really great. And just to have a quick comparison with the Huawei Mate 8 and the Huawei Nexus 6P, and you can see ever since they released the Nexus 6P, their design that become really well. I really enjoy their design. So you can see full metallic body, and I love it. That's premium stuff, feels good in hand. And you can just take a look here. Of course, USB Type-C, you got your speaker down below, 3.5mm headphone jack there, so everything is on the bottom. On the top, of course, you got this thing here, which is of course the microphone port. And what else? Huawei logo on the front. I think this is the micro SD card slot, and of course /SIM card. So it does have dual SIM card trays. And then we get the power button and the volume rocker on the right. So let's just go ahead and boot this one up. And the thing that I am excited about is that it has the Kirin 955 chipset. That is really great because the Mate 8 has Kirin 950, I think, and that performs really well. So I want to see how this phone will stack up against the phones like HTC 10 and LG G5 S7 Edge. So really want to see that. And yeah, Huawei, they make really great phones, I gotta say. I really enjoy their devices. It's pretty lightweight, So, and there we have the dual camera sensors with dual LED flash. Awesome stuff. Fingerprint sensor is also there. So here we have the setup. Of course, I'm just gonna quickly go through it. I'm just gonna say next, skip it, continue, next page. Okay, allow, enable, agree. So you do have to agree to the terms and conditions. Allow, skip, and begin. There we go. Really fast process, and we're just gonna enable this stuff later. So of course this is the typical Huawei's UI, and again, you know, if you don't like it, you can install like launchers from Play Store, you know. So Android is a world of customization. So personally, I do enjoy their UI. It's a little bit, you know, cartoonish, but yeah, it's nice. And let's just go ahead to the About Phone section, and you can see it does have Android 6.0 or 0.1 or just 6.0 Marshmallow. Yeah, it's the latest version. Kirin 955 CPU, 3 gigs of RAM, and of course this is a 5.2-inch 1080p HD display, IPS Neo technology. I really want to see this phone in you know, of course, outdoors, to see how the brightness is. It's actually have like 500 nits brightness, which is really bright, and I think it is currently, you can see this much brightness, so I want to increase it. See, it gets really bright. You can't even see the Google logo, at least with my camera, so I'm just gonna decrease the brightness here a little bit so that you can see here. So yeah, I mean, I really like this phone. The size is definitely a lot more compact, you know. It's a lot more pocketable compared to Mate 8 and the Nexus 6P, so I can definitely use this phone and without any problem, without feeling weird when this phone will be in my pants. And yeah, that is pretty much it. So please stay tuned for the full review, which will be coming out pretty soon. And of course, speed test videos, whatever you want to see, please let me know. And this phone will be available in the market, of course. Currently it costs around like 50,000 PKR around here, $500 with tax included. So yeah, I mean, it's a pretty well priced phone, I mean, as far as the specs and everything is concerned. So yeah, stay tuned for more stuff, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace out.